Alright, today we're going to be making pancakes. So we have a pan right here heated up on medium heat. Then we're going to add some butter. You want the pan warm enough to cook the pancakes, but not too hot because you don't want to overcook them. You don't want the outside to cook too fast and the inside will be kind of raw. Okay, I'm gonna put all the ingredients in the description. You just put the ingredients together in no particular order, mix them together, and then let them rest for a few minutes before you start to cook. Alright, we have our butter in there. Then we'll drop our pancake mix in there. And this is it's a little thick for my taste, but I'm gonna see if I wanted it to be thinner. If my pancake's too thick, then I'll add a little more milk. Alright, we're just gonna let that first side cook, and then we'll flip it over. Once the bottom side gets cooked, then we'll see bubbles start to pop up. And we'll see it start to brown a little bit on the bottom. Yep, it's still continuing to cook. If you think your pan's not hot enough, then you can turn the heat up just a little bit, but not too much. Okay, it's almost time to flip it. You see those bubbles starting to form there? Let me turn a little light on for you. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and flip it over. Alright, this side will cook a little bit faster. Just press it down a little bit. Check the other side. And sometimes I like to poke it in the middle. As long as nothing oozes out, then it's done. And then we'll do our next pancake. But before that, we'll just take our butter and butter each side. Like that. Then we'll throw some more butter in the pan and do our next pancake until we're all done. And our pan's a little hot, so I turned the heat up a little bit. Okay, and we'll do our next pancake. There we go. We'll let it cook slowly. Then it'll start to bubble up like the last one did in the middle. And you'll start to see the edges start to look cooked. And then we'll flip it. And so on and so forth. Okay, here we have our done pancakes. We've cooked them all. Once they got cooked, we buttered the outside of them, the top and the bottom. And we have our stack here. And I'm gonna dress mine with bacon and bananas. So I cooked some bacon earlier, have some bacon bits here. Just throw them on just like that. And then I have some sliced bananas. Put those on top. And we'll finish it off with a little syrup, or if you like powdered sugar, however you want to do it. And there you have it. That's our pancakes.